Hi folks, I'm Steve Hindy with Showing Animals Respect and Kindness. What you're looking at is a property that illegally held a large number of fighting roosters back in September 2018 in Monterey County, California. This footage was shot with a Shark drone, as this view can only be seen from the air. Now here's a view of the property in February 2019. As you can see, the rooster facility is being dismantled. The dismantling is due to Monterey County Code Ordinance 5249, which allows only 5 roosters for a property within the unincorporated areas of Monterey County. There is a special permit that you can get to hold more than 5 roosters, but this property owner didn't have it. The purpose of Ordinance 5249 is to discourage cockfighting, which is what we suspect this property was involved in. We want to thank those of you who joined us in calling on local authorities to resolve this issue. Now, we have another opportunity for all of us to aid law enforcement in Monterey County. Last month, our Angel drone identified 4 more properties, raising numerous roosters well in excess of the lawful limit. We did some research and found that only one of those properties has the needed exemption. We're asking you to join us in asking the county to investigate the properties on El Rancho Way in Salinas and on Betty Way in Royal Oaks. We will supply the county with precise information to conduct its investigation. Please send an email to the Monterey County Health Department and ask them to investigate these properties. An email will result in a record that the county has to keep and is therefore more likely to respond to and take seriously. This should be a very simple issue. There's a problem with cockfighting in and around Monterey County. There is a law designed to deal with the problem. We've got evidence that the law is being violated. Let's inform the authorities so that the next step is that the problem is resolved. Please let us know of any response you may receive from Monterey County. I'm Steve Hindy for Showing Animals Respect and Kindness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to see more of our investigations and learn what you can do to help Shark help animals.